Hi again guys, this is FD for Sage5.tv once more back with another video, and it's that time of the week again when we bring you an update to our 15k to 600k portfolio challenge. This is a portfolio that we have selected 6 blockchains in Ethereum, Cardano blockchain, Polkadot and Kusama, whom we classify as .sama, Cosmos ecosystem, NEARProtocol, as well as Ego blockchain. And from those 6 blockchains or networks, we are going to select a number of projects and invest a minimum of $250 into each of those projects within each of those ecosystems, and we've put a limit of $2,500 to be invested into each of the networks or blockchains. So for example, $2,500 investing into Ethereum, $2,500 into Cardano. I think you get the gist. So as part of our portfolio update, we are going to cover price changes between last week and this week to see if our portfolio is improving, holding steady, or going downhill. It's always good to monitor what your portfolio is doing. So this portfolio is not a call for you to mimic what I've done here. This is just my own take on the markets. It is just a snapshot of what I am doing within this market. Some of the projects within this portfolio I do hold, others I do not, and I'll be quite comfortable with it going to zero. Are you? Food for thought. Anyway, starting with the Ethereum basket of what 15k to 600k portfolio challenge, where we hold positions in VulcanForged, PerpetualProtocol, and RMRK.app. Starting with VulcanForged and the POR token, the price for the POR token this week is sitting at $3.70. Portfolio value is sitting at $380.43. Week on week, we are up by 13.2%. Overall, our POR position is up by 5%. Perpetual Protocol and the PEP token is next. The price for the PEP token this week is sitting at 89.6 cents. Portfolio value is sitting at $896.22. Week on week, we are up by 1.9%. Overall, our PEP position is still up by 106.6%, which makes Perpetual Protocol and the PEP token the best performing position within our 15k to 600k portfolio challenge. We then move on to RMRK.app and the RBN token. The price for the RBN token this week is sitting at 23.1 cents. Portfolio value is sitting at $256.34. Week on week, we are down by 10.4%. Come on, RMRK.app. Overall, we're still down 2.8%, so not bad still, considering what's going on around us. Next up is Cardano blockchain, where we hold a single position in AADAFinance, and the price for the AADAFinance this week is sitting at 46.7 cents. Portfolio value is sitting at $75.62. Week on week, we are down by 11.4%. Overall, we're still down 56.6%, which makes AADAFinance the worst performing position within our 15k to 600k portfolio challenge for this week. By the way, I've got a surprise for you, so keep watching. Okay. Next up is the .sama ecosystem for Polkadot and Kusama, where we hold positions in Bit.country Pioneer and the NEAR token, RMRK and the RMRK token, Moonbeam network and the Glimmer token. So starting with Bit.country, the price for the NEAR token this week is sitting at 18.2 cents. Portfolio value is sitting at $146.58. Week on week, we are down 0.3%. Overall, we're down 40.6%, which makes Bit.country and the NEAR token one of the worst performing positions within our 15k to 600k portfolio challenge for this week. Next up is RMRK and the RMRK token. The price for the RMRK token this week is sitting at $2.38. Portfolio value is sitting at $493.81. Week on week, we are down 0.1%. Overall, we're still up 2.8%. Moonbeam network and the Glimmer token is next. The price for the Glimmer token this week is sitting at 38.8 cents. Portfolio value is sitting at $390.50. Week on week, we are down by 2.9%. Overall, we're down by 12.2%. Now, onto Cosmos ecosystem, where we have the surprise. I think you've already figured out what that surprise is, but here we go. Starting with the surprise, we added Injective Protocol. For those who want to get an in-depth review of Injective Protocol, please follow the links in the description to a video where we performed our DYO, our risk evaluation for Injective Protocol. So what is Injective Protocol? Injective Protocol is an open interoperable layer 1 blockchain for building powerful DeFi applications built using the Cosmos SDK using Tendermint proof of stake consensus framework. Injective is a blockchain built for finance. It is an open source interoperable layer 1 blockchain powering next generation DeFi applications, including decentralized spot and derivatives exchanges, prediction markets, lending protocols, and much more. Developers can find robust out-of-box modules such as a completely decentralized order book that can be utilized to build a diverse array of sophisticated applications. Moreover, Injective is an open interoperable smart contracts platform. Here are some of the value propositions for Injective. I'm not going to do a complete review, I'm just giving you a summary. Injective's value propositions include the optimization for decentralized finance. In this area, Injective provides out-of-box financial primitives such as a fully decentralized order book to allow developers to create mainstream decentralized applications or DApp. Applications, for instance, can leverage the order book to launch exchanges, prediction markets, and various other on-chain strategies. technologies. It is interoperable as part of its value proposition. Injective is natively interoperable across a number of sovereign blockchain networks while also being IBC enabled. Injective is able to facilitate seamless cross-chain transactions across Ethereum, Moonbeam, and IBC enabled chains such as the Cosmos app. Injective supports Cosmos, a novel smart contracting platform built for the Cosmos ecosystem. This means developers can easily launch their own smart contract-powered applications on Injective quite easily. Smart contracts that work on other chains supporting Cosmos can seamlessly be migrated to Injective. Developers can also launch Ethereum and IBC compatible tokens. Since Injective supports cross-chain transactions with Ethereum and all IBC enabled chains, it means tokens launched on Injective can be exposed to multiple networks by default. And finally, it offers intuitive developer experience. Developers can utilize flexible and expressive development environments powered by Rust and Golang. So that is an overview on Injective Protocol. Injective Protocol is also one of the few projects to score 80 or above in our DYOR risk evaluation exercises. So this is probably one not to sleep on. Again, not financial advice. This is just my own opinion, of course. I'll leave a link to the original DYOR risk evaluation, as I've already said, to a video below where you can hear our take on Injective Protocol. Now, part of our 15K to 600K portfolio, I should also share that I hold Injective in my private portfolio, just trying to be transparent and all that. So Injective is part of our public portfolio, but I also hold Injective Protocol as part of my private portfolio. Now, Injective, our entry price, we opened our position for Injective at $4.17 and we procured 100 units of the INJ token at a total cost of $417. No change because it's a recent position. Next up, we've got Evmos and the Evmos token. The price for the Evmos token this week is sitting at 30 cents. Portfolio value is sitting at $337.74. Week on week, we are down 9.3%. Overall, we are down 30.1%, which makes Evmos one of the worst performing positions within our 15K to 600K portfolio challenge. Akash network and the AKT token is next. The price for the AKT token this week is sitting at 30.6 cents. Portfolio value is sitting at $330.88. Week on week, we are down 8%. Overall, we're still up 28.9%. That's Akash for you. And that completes our Cosmos portion of our 15K to 600K portfolio challenge. Next is NEARProtocol and the NEAR token. And the price for the NEAR token this week is sitting at $2.03. Portfolio value is sitting at $114.72. Week on week, we are slightly up by 3.2%. Overall, we're still down by 38.9%, which makes NEARProtocol and the NEAR token one of the worst performing positions within our 15K to 600K portfolio challenge. So there you have it, folks. Overall public portfolio value is sitting at $3,838.84, and we are slightly up by $121.32. Whether that is due to our opening position for Injective, that's yet to be seen. And week on week, our portfolio is slightly up by 10.5%. Again, that could be down to Injective Protocol. So overall, our portfolio is ticked up by 3.3%. Again, could be down to our Injective position. Do you hold Injective in your portfolio, and do you think it was a wise move to add Injective Protocol to our public portfolio? Let us know in the comment section. As far as I'm concerned, I think Injective is going to be one of those projects that is going to outperform a lot of the layer ones out there. And I also believe in monetary value, price for each INJ or ING token is going to outperform the Cosmos token. That is the Atom. That's my point of view. What is your point of view? Do you think that would happen? Let us know in the comment section. Until next time, guys, this was your update to our 15K to 600K public portfolio that we share with our community. Signing out for now. Bye.